Today here at Bullion Now, we'll be taking a closer look at the 1 ounce silver Canadian maple. The maple leaf design on the Canadian 1 ounce silver coin is a stunning design and is well known throughout the bullion industry. The maple is a common symbol of strength and endurance and has been chosen as the national tree of Canada, also featuring on their flag. There are many different types of maple tree as well as many different uses. One of the main uses of the maple tree is to create maple syrup. In 2021, Canada exported 7.6 million gallons of maple syrup. The silver 1 ounce Canadian maple bullion coin was originally first minted in 1988 and is issued annually. It is also Canadian legal tender and has the highest face value of all silver coins of the 1 ounce variety, widely accepted and popular due to its beautiful design. Both the maple leaf and the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II were designed by Susanna Blunt. Due to a higher demand from the American market, these coins have been harder to get out of the country and into the land down under. Here at Bullion Now, we're very happy to announce that we have a resupply in stock, so if you want to get your hands on one of these coins, click the link in the description. One of the interesting features of this coin is the security feature in the bottom right of the coin, which shows a textured maple leaf micro-engraved with laser technology on a small area of the reverse side of the coin. In the center of this mark, visible under magnification, is the numeral 22, denoting the coin's year of issue. If you are one of the many waiting for this coin to come back in stock here at Bullion Now, you're in luck. We have it. But maybe not for long, depending on how popular it is.